हाय गाइस, आज हम देखेंगे कंप्यूटर फंडामेंटल्स के टॉप एमसीक्यू का पार्ट फर्स्ट। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, इन विच जनरेशंस ऑफ कंप्यूटर माइक्रोप्रोसेसर्स वाज इंट्रोड्यूस्ड? ऑप्शंस ए फर्स्ट जनरेशन, बी सेकंड जनरेशन, सी थर्ड जनरेशन, डी फोर्थ जनरेशन। राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शंस डी फोर्थ जनरेशन। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, all memory units are expressed as power of options A2, B5, C10, D20. Right answer is options A2. Next question, which types of softwares are device driver? Options A application softwares, B system software, C utility softwares, D all of these. Right answer is options B, system software. Next question, which of following allows two or more user to work on same time? Option A multi-capables, B multi-threadings, C multi-processing, D none of these. Right answer is option C, multi-processing. Next question, which of the following is not a valid bus in computer system? Options A data bus, B memory bus, C address bus, D system bus. Right answer is options B memory bus. Next question, which is not a functions of operating system? Options A process management, B memory management, C internet servers management, D file management. Right answer is option C, internet server management. Next question, what is units of speeds of supercomputer? Right answer is options D, G flops. Next question, which of the following softwares is interact with the hardware? Options A application softwares, B utility program, C system softwares, D interpreter. Right answer is option C, system software. Next question, secondary memory is also known as options A second pass memory, B dynamics memory, C auxiliary memory, D temporary memory. Right answer is option C part. Next question, most trackball and joysticks are the examples of options A scanning device, B multimedia device, C pointing device, D storing device. Right answer is option C pointing device. Next question, modems is used mostly for options A mostly for file systems, B a modern empty memory modulus, C connecting to internet, D none of these. Right answer is option C, connecting to internet. Next question, which of these are internal parts of computer? Options A expansion slots, B network card, C cooling fan, D all of these. Right answer is options D, all of these. Next question, which of the following is not an application software? Options A Photoshop, B Sags, C Dreamweaves, D WinRAR. Right answer is options D WinRAR. Next question, resolutions of printers is measured in options A megabits, B inches, C hertz, D dpi. Right answer is options D part, dpi. Next question, what is the full form of IP? Right answer is option C part, internet protocol. Next question, word length of a home computer is options A 4 bits, B 8 bits, C 16 bits, D 24 bits. Right answer is options B 8 bits. Next question, which is responsible for performing modulations, demodulation? Right answer is options D, modem. Next question. What is meanings of LAT? Right answer is options A, local area transport. Next question. 1 million bytes of informations are options A 1 MB, B 1 GB, C 1 KB, D none of these. Right answer is options A 1 MB. Next question. What is the full forms of SNMP? Right answer is option C, Simple Networks Management Protocol. Thank you.